This TikTok page is gaining millions of views and they only have 29 videos. Even better, their page was only created in May, and according to the TikTok sponsorship calculator, they can be charging anywhere from $900 to $1,400 per video, all from posting faceless videos. In fact, they can easily add an extra $1,000 to $2,000 a month in their pocket if they did affiliate marketing or sold a digital product on their page, which is why in this video I'll show you the clever way you can create your own profitable faceless TikTok page just like this for yourself using AI tools only, and I'll show you the entire process from start to finish. The first thing you need to do is get an idea for your TikTok page, and what I've noticed is that motivational pages seem to perform the best in every single format, but if you already have a niche in mind, you can go ahead and do this exact same method within that niche. Or if you don't want to do the motivational niche and you want to get some more ideas for different niches, then you can come on over to ChatGPT and ask it for this prompt: give me 20 niches for a faceless TikTok account. And then as you can see, just like that, ChatGPT has given us 20 different niches we can create. So what you'd want to do is go through this list and then choose whichever one piques your interest, and this is what you'll create the faceless TikTok page about. The next thing you need to do is create a TikTok account. You need a TikTok account in order to post TikToks, and this process you can do it on your phone or you can do it on your laptop, but I'll just be showing you how to do it from your laptop. So what you'd want to do is come on over to tiktok.com, and then on this page you'll be able to see in the top right corner where it says login. You want to click onto this. It's going to open this section, and then I recommend you create a brand new account for this. So you want to click onto the bottom here where it says sign up, and then you can choose out of these 4 options how you want to sign up for TikTok. So choose whichever method that you prefer, and then once you've signed up for TikTok, you want to go to where it has this little icon, and then you want to click where it says view profile. So now the next thing you need to do is edit the appearance of your page. This includes your name, your bio, and your profile photo. So you can totally do this part by using your head, but again, we're going to be using AI. So the first thing you want to do is come up with a name for your page. And in order to do this, you're going to come on over to ChatGPT and ask it for this prompt: give me 10 catchy names for a TikTok faceless motivational page. This is where you're going to put whatever niche your page is. So if it's a fitness page, you would put that in there and then hit enter. So as you can see, it's given me 10 different names that I could use. So from this list, you want to choose whichever name you want, and if you don't like any, you can always ask ChatGPT to give you more. So the name I like is Anonymous Uplift, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this, come back over to my TikTok page and click where it says edit profile. As you can see where it says username, I'm going to insert my name, and under name as well, I'm going to do the same thing and click save and then hit confirm. So now the next thing I need to update is my bio. I'm going to click where it says edit profile, and as you can see, it says something very important: the bio cannot be longer than 80 characters. So again, I can go ahead and just type this in myself, but instead I'm going to be using again AI. So I'm going to come back over to ChatGPT and then ask it this prompt: give me 5 catchy bios for a TikTok account about motivational and self-improvement content. Make it 80 characters including spaces and punctuation. And now as you can see, ChatGPT has given me 5 different options I could use. I'm not really liking any of these, so I'm going to go ahead and ask it to give me 5 more, and I really like this one, so I'm going to go ahead and copy it, come back over to TikTok, click where it says edit profile again, and then under bio I'm going to simply paste this in. So now as you can see, the page is coming on quite nicely. It's already starting to look like a really good page. So the final thing I need to have my page ready to go is a profile photo. If you want, you can use a photo of yourself, but again, this is supposed to be faceless. So what I'm going to do is come back over to ChatGPT, and then I'm going to ask it this prompt: give me 5 faceless TikTok profile photo ideas for the TikTok page of number 4, being this one. Remember, this was the one we chose for our page. So it already knows, as you can see, that it is a motivational and self-improvement page. So it's going to pick up those aspects from the content. So all I need to do now is hit enter. So when you've gotten this, what you want to do is go through the ideas and then choose the one that you prefer the best so that you can create your profile photo using that idea. So the option I like in this case is number 3. Now I need to create that profile photo. Don't you worry, this is actually super easy. What you need to do is come on over to canva.com, and once on Canva where it says search, what you want to search is for TikTok. It's given us the option which is TikTok profile photo. So what you want to do now is click onto this, and now as you can see, it's taken us to this page where it says there's over 900 templates you can choose from. If you want to, you can go ahead and use any of these, but this is not what we want to do in this instance. So we're going to click where it says create blank profile photo, and now what we want to do is begin actually creating what ChatGPT told us to. So if we go back, it says it wants an image of a faceless person with a glowing brain. So what we need to do now is find those elements within Canva. In order to do this, you want to come on over to where it says elements, and then in the search bar, now we can actually search for the first element, which was again a faceless person. So we're going to come back TikTok here and search for that faceless person and then hit enter, and then we're going to click where it says graphics. And now if we scroll through this, we can find many different faceless people. So go through this and choose the one you prefer. So in my case, I'm kind of liking this one, and now as you can see, it's added onto my image. Going back to ChatGPT, the second thing it says was with a glowing brain or light bulb inside of the head. So we can come back over to Canva and search for this exact same thing, and as you can see, it's given us the best of both worlds. We have a glowing brain inside of a light bulb. Look at that. Guess today is our lucky day. So we can click onto this. There we go. Our profile photo is actually done. So all I'm going to do in order to edit this is change the color of the brain. I don't quite like the orange, so I'll go ahead and change it into white, and just like that, my profile photo for TikTok is done. Now once your profile photo is done, all you need to do is download it. In order to download it, you want to come over to where it says share, and then you want to click where it says download, and then ensure that you have PNG selected. You just want to click download, and from there what you want to do is come back over to your TikTok account, click where it says edit profile, click onto this tiny little pen next to the profile photo, and then you're going to locate the photo that you just downloaded from Canva. The page is done. Wasn't that easy? No, actually, wasn't that easy. We live in a time where there's AI. Nothing needs to be complicated anymore. So now that your page is created, it's time to create your first video. And wait, before you start complaining about, oh, this is so hard, I don't want to create a video, just ease up. This process is as easy as it's gonna get. So in order to create your video, you need an idea for your video. So what you'd want to do is come back over to ChatGPT and ask it for this prompt. Give me 5-10-second TikTok video script ideas for a motivation and self-improvement page. Now you don't have to say 10-second TikTok, but I noticed on the other motivational pages, their videos tend to be around 10 seconds long. So what you want to do is mimic how long the pages in the niche you're targeting videos tend to be. So now as you can see, it's given us 5 different scripts that I can go ahead and use for my videos. But now that you have the scripts ready, you need someone to say those scripts. After all, this is a faceless page. We're not going to be the ones saying this. You can go ahead and have ChatGPT do it for you by asking it this prompt. Give me influential people who would say these quotes. Now as you can see, it's given us some influential people who would potentially say these quotes. So now we need to get into the actual creation of those TikToks, and again, don't worry, it's going to be a piece of cake. So in order to do this, what you want to do is come back over to Canva, and then you're going to come back to where it says search and search for the word TikTok. You want to click the one which says TikTok story, and then we're going to click create a blank story, and now we can begin creating our TikTok. So first things first, you need to generate the person who's going to say it. So from the list you got from ChatGPT, choose whichever one you want to generate first. So now from my number, what I need to do is first things first, generate the character who's going to say it. In this case, that's Marcus Aurelius. So what I would need to do now is copy his name and come on over to Canva. Now, of course, I can't go meet him right now and be like, hey, can I take a quick video of you saying this, please? No. So in order to do this, you want to come to this side of Canva, and on this side, you want to click to where it says apps. And what you want to do is locate text to image. Now, don't worry if it's not in this location for you. In the search bar, you can just go ahead and type in the word text, and it would be the first thing that pops up. So then click onto it, it would take you to this spot. Now in this bar, what you want to do is type in what you need to generate. In our case, that is Marcus Aurelius, and then where it says styles, we're going to click where it says see all, and then I could choose the style in which I want him to be generated in. In this case is filmic. So once I have this selected, all I need to do is click where it says create your image. Look at him. Oh, he's alive again. Actually, in this case, he's a statue. But whatever, we're gonna make it work. So when you found the one you want, what you want to do is click onto it. And I can go ahead and adjust the sizing of it to try to get it to fit my entire TikTok. And just like that, he has been created. He is there. He kind of looks scary without his eyeballs. I'm not going to lie, but that doesn't matter. So now you can keep him like this. But what I do recommend is all these pages, when they use their AI generated images or whichever image they tend to use, you'll notice that they all have different backgrounds. In order to differentiate yourself, you can try to make a common background in your TikTok page. Something simple like that could make you stand out from the rest and automatically seem better. How you can go about adding their own unique background for your TikToks is quite simple. I'm going to go ahead and click this to duplicate the page, and then I'm going to click onto Marcus Aurelius, and then I'm going to click where it says edit photo, and then I'm going to remove the background that's already there. Now I can go ahead and add in whichever background I want behind him. In order to do this, I'm going to go to where it says elements, and I'm simply going to search for the word background and click where it says photos. And now I actually have many different backgrounds to choose from. So if I wanted to, I could even choose this background, go ahead and adjust it to fit all sides of my images. And then you want to right click onto it. You see where it says layer, click onto that and then click send to back. And now in all of my videos, I would keep this same background. Or you can be even more creative with your background. Let's duplicate this again and delete this previous background. I can be fancier and say something like an office background and go to where it says photos. And now as you can see, these are a bunch of different office backgrounds I could choose from. Let's just say I would want to choose this one. I can click onto it and now look at that. All my TikToks would have the same office background. So now that I have my actor ready, I need to download him. I'm going to click where it says share and then I'm going to click download, and you want to ensure that you download this as a PNG. Okay, so now that I have him ready, I need to have him say this script. I obviously can't record the voiceover myself because how silly would it be to have this manly man with my voice? So what you need to do, come on over to 11labs and have AI generate the voice for you. So what I'm going to do is go back to ChatGPT, and as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and copy my scripts, come back over to 11labs, and then I'm going to paste this in. And over here where it says voices, I can go ahead and play all these voices and then choose whichever one I think sound the best or sounds like what I think Marcus Aurelius would sound like. So all I need to do now is click this tiny box and it's going to be downloaded straight onto my laptop. So now that I have my voiceover and my actor, I need to combine it together to make that amazing TikTok video. And in order to do this, we're going to make him talk. Don't worry if you don't know how to do this already. It's quite simple. It makes your faceless look like something out of this world. And lots of people on TikTok are not even sure about how to have this done. So when they see your video, yes, you know how simple it is to do this, but for them, it's like, oh my gosh. What you need to do is come on over to DID. You can go ahead and simply log into your account. If you don't have one, it's fine. You can try it for completely free. So once you've signed up or logged into your account, it will take you to this page. And once on this page, what you need to do is click where it says create video. What you want to do is click where it says add, and then you're going to locate the file of your presenter that you downloaded. In our case, is Marcus. And now as you can see, he has been added into our scene. The next thing we need to do is insert his audio. So to the side, you'll click where it says audio, and then you're going to click where it says upload your own voice, and then locate the file that we downloaded from 11labs. And now once that's done, all you need to do is click where it says generate video, and then just sit back and relax whilst AI does its thing. And now that it's done, all I need to do is download my video. In order to do this, I'll click onto these three dots, hit download, and then click allow, and just like that, the video would be downloaded straight onto my laptop. So now that you've downloaded the video from DID, what you need to do is come back over to Canva, and you want to re-upload the video to Canva. So we're going to click where it says add page, and just so that we have a blank sheet to work from, click where it says uploads, and then you're going to get again the video from DID and upload it onto Canva. And now that it's added into Canva, all I need to do now is adjust it to fit the full frame, and then I can simply use this like this. But if I want to take it even a step further, I can also add in the text of what he's saying onto him. And now as you can see, my text has been added in and my video is done. Congratulations, I'm proud of you, you did that. So now I know what you're thinking, but Monique, like, what does this look like? You haven't shown us anything. Fine, if you insist.
Be a warrior, not a worrier. Conquer your fears and watch your world transform.
Every time I see this, it always just amazes me how AI can do this. So what you need to do now that you have him and you have the text and you have your video ready to go viral is download it. Now you're on to the last part, which is uploading your viral video to TikTok. In order to do this, what you need to do is come on over to your TikTok account. Again, you can do this from your laptop, on your phone, whichever way you prefer. And then you want to click where it says upload. And in this section, you want to take the video that we just downloaded from Canva and upload it onto TikTok. What you now need to do is just do the last simple editing. In this case, is simply adding your caption. You can come up with a caption yourself, or you can ask, say it with me guys, AI. In order to do this, you want to come back over to ChatGPT, and then you want to ask it this prompt. Give me a TikTok caption for a motivational video about this quote. This is where you want to go ahead and copy the quote of your video, and then you simply want to paste it in and then hit enter. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this caption, come back over to TikTok and paste it in, and then I can come up with some hashtags myself. Or if we come back over to TikTok, as you can see, it's given us a few hashtags we could use. So we can go ahead and copy those hashtags and then simply paste them in. Now the next thing you need to add for your video is a sound. That is very important for TikTok when it comes to ensuring that your video will actually be seen by people. So click on the top here where it says edit video. So now I can go ahead and go through these sounds and find one that I like. I recommend looking at the sounds that other pages are using and then favoriting them. That way you can use those exact same sounds because you know it works within that niche. But in this case, I'm just going to click this one where it says classical music and hit where it says use. Very importantly, you need to be sure to edit the volume or else the sound will be overpowering the volume of the speech. In order to do this, you would click onto this little volume box here and then ensure that original sound is practically all the way and added sound is lower. And then once you've done that, click where it says save edits. And so I'm going to post it right now by hitting post, and voila, my first video has been uploaded onto my TikTok page. So now let's see what it looks like and sounds like.
Be a warrior, not a worrier. Conquer your fears.
I like this. I feel like the classic music was such a great touch to this. This is perfect. So now to answer the most important question, how do you go about earning money from this? Well, I showed you the first way. Depending on your niche and the type of videos you create, etc., people may message you to have shoutouts done, sponsorships done on your TikTok page, and then you can charge a fixed rate for that, whether it be $100, $500, $1,000. But again, you need to actually have good engagement as well as a following for that to happen. But the thing about TikTok, in order to add a link into the description, you need to have 1,000 followers, and this is where you really hit the jackpot in being able to make money, because you can monetize this in two ways, which is sure to make you at least $1,000 a month. Number one is by doing affiliate marketing. Two, you can also sell a digital product. With TikTok, it's easy to get a lot of traffic. This is why TikTok is one of the best platforms to use, and now you know how to use it without showing your face. Or if you want to learn another way you can make money online, then you need to check out this other video on my channel.